It's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, automatic with driver control suspension management, automatic parking sensors, and twin-turbo V6 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Here at Napleton Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, we care about you. Stop by anytime. We're easy to find at 11,055 West Dundee Road in Arlington Heights, Illinois.